Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting your direct deposit form from the Chase app is super straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Open the Chase mobile app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have it installed, grab it from your app store first. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see the menu tabs. Tap on the menu icon, which usually looks like 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called a hamburger menu. Step 3. Scroll down through the menu options until you find the section labeled Transfers or Accounts. This is where Chase keeps all the deposit and transfer-related features. Step 4. Look for an option that says Direct Deposit or View Direct Deposit Details. Tap on that option to access your direct deposit information and forms. Step 5. You'll see your current direct deposit setup displayed on the screen. Look for a button or link that says Get Form, Download Form, or Print Form. Tap that button and Chase will generate your official direct deposit form as a PDF that you can download, save, print, or share with your employer. That's really all there is to it. Your form will include your routing number, account number, and account type, everything your employer needs to set up direct deposit.